Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a link for a meeting on Google Meet. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you have to tap on the new meeting option, which is at the top of the screen, and then you can see that the first option is get a meeting link to share. Tap on it, and then you can see that here is the link to your meeting. Copy this link and send it to people you want to meet with. Be sure to save it so you can use it later too. So you have to copy that meeting link, and after that you can share it and send it. You can click directly to the share invite option, and here you can select the app, like you want to send the link through Gmail or WhatsApp or Messenger, or if you copied, then later on save it and you can share that link with anybody. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.